Hey guys, Eric, Verus Engineering, and today we're going to be doing a quick little install on our Toyota Supra. You might have installed our brake cooling kit, and now that you have those inner fender ducts, they are rubbing on your large front wheels. So we have some steering rack limiter pieces that basically go in the steering rack, and that limits the amount of steering angle so that those wheels no longer hit the nice beautiful carbon duct that you've installed. All right, as far as what's included in the kit, we have some nylon carbon spacers, and we have some stainless steel hose clamps. Tools required, we're gonna need some side cuts and a flathead screwdriver. Side cuts are gonna basically cut that steel, permanent clamp that we're gonna replace with these boys. And then obviously screwdriver to tighten these. All right, so this install is very similar to the FRS BRZ. We have the boot off. It was over there. You can see we're working with the splitter tunnel and all that, not splitter tunnel, but the underbody panel. So we just have that kind of down. There was a clamp there. We basically cut that clamp off, and then we use a worm drive clamp now. So it's easier to tighten. And then you can actually see one of our nylon spacers right there, and it clips on really tightly onto the steering rack, and that will butt up against what's in there. These are specific to the Supra at this point. They're no longer the FRS BRZ units. Yeah, so that's about the extent of the install. Obviously, we would recommend installing as few as possible so that you retain as much turning radius, or as small turning radius as possible. You can see we're running 285s. I believe we're running 285s on some Titan 7s. They are 10.7 inch wide wheels, and you can see our carbon duct right there. That's all that's rubbed. So I'm actually gonna take ours off. I'm just gonna let the wheel and tire kind of self-clearance itself, because for that to be like that after, I don't know, a few thousand miles is really not that bad to me. And I would like to have that turning radius at times. So I'm gonna take it back off, but that's how you install it. All right guys, I hope that helps you install the steering rack limiter kit on your car if you happen to need it. Until next time.